I'd like to take a few moments to talk to you about the features and benefits of the aerial safety cage by Little Giant. This is the 5 to 9 foot model. We're just going to tip it up and then pull the bottom section towards you. You can see that the platform's coming down is going to lock onto this crossbar. You want to keep your hands out of that pinch zone. Just allow that to come down and to lock into place. So the areas where the aerial safety cage is going to be most beneficial to use are those areas where you can't get a scissor lift in and a standard A-frame ladder just isn't going to be sufficient. So staircases, uneven surfaces, tight areas where you can't get a scissor lift in. And then those areas where, because of the rules of your company or the general contractor, you need to be tied off from above when you're working above 4 feet or 6 feet, and there's nothing to tie off to. We've put a scaffolding 42-inch handrail, mid-span toe kick on a platform on adjustable fiberglass base. As you climb it, you're going to use 3 points of contact as you ascend and descend the ladder. These are one-way walk-through gates. You're just going to push your body into them, walk straight through, let them lock behind you. Now you're standing in a totally surrounded 42-inch handrail system with a big platform to stand on. You can work at any angle with both hands above your head. No need to be tied off from above because now we're working out of scaffolding rules. To climb down, you want to face the cage, so you're going to want to open the gates, place them on your hip, turn your body around, and then again use 3 points of contact as you descend down the cage. Now if you're going to use this in uneven surfaces or need a greater height, you're going to use the rock locks here on the side to adjust the size. Squeeze at the bottom until you hear them lock and snap open. Now that's going to unlock the fly section from the base section. Then push that fly section up, telescope to your desired height. If you're going to work into a staircase or on an uneven surface, go ahead and set that up in that staircase position. To raise it up, push at the bottom, maintain control of the upper section, and then telescope that back up. Now as you move this product around, we do have the step down pop-up wheels. Step on the yellow bar and engage those. And that allows you to move the entire unit around just like a rolling staircase. So once it's set up, it's very easy to move around. If you're in an area where you have enough room to deploy the extra outriggers, you can go ahead and do so. The cage passes all of the required tests for tip without the outriggers deployed. But if you're going to be working at height and you have the room, you want to go ahead and deploy those. Push the button on the back and bring those out to the proper angle. And then this is a bayonet style lock, so you just twist it clockwise, bring it down, counterclockwise to lock it back into place. Do the same thing on the other side. Again, this is just for extra support, doesn't need to be deployed. To put those back in, just twist, push the button, drop them back into place. Again, twist clockwise and then counterclockwise to lock. Now, to bring the aerial safety cage back down, we're going to unlock it on both sides. But you'll notice that the upper section of the ladder isn't coming down. On the side, we have a unit that's called descent control. So you're going to want to step to the side, keeping your hands out of any pinch zone. Use this handle on the side to slowly control the descent of the unit. Allow it to come down to the desired height, lock those pins into place, and then come around to the other side. Disengage the rock locks, bring that descent control device up, and allow the upper section to drop back into place. This is the 5 to 9 aerial safety cage. We do make one size larger, which is the 8 to 14. It operates a little bit differently because of its size. It uses a rope and pulley system and you can click this link right now to watch the video of how that's done. Always remember that a cage is a piece of safety equipment, and we want you to climb safe and climb on.